Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm a blockchain smart contract developer with over 10 years of experience. Today, I'm going to show you how to send USDT from Trust Wallet or TronLink even if you have 0 TRX on your balance. Yes, you heard that right. I'll show you how to swap USDT to TRX without needing any TRX to pay network fees. Recently, I ran into this exact problem myself. I had USDT on the Tron network, but I couldn't send it anywhere because I didn't have any TRX in my wallet to cover gas fees. So I started looking for a solution and came across a platform that allows you to swap USDT to TRX even with a 0 TRX balance. And the best part is that the service covers the network fees using TRON Energy. That means you can actually complete the swap even if you have 0 TRX in your wallet. Honestly, I wish I had known about this earlier. So let me show you how it works. The platform is called Zero Gas TRX. I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment under this video. And make sure you only use the official link to avoid fake or scam websites. This tool is genuinely useful because it allows you to swap tokens on the Tron network without needing TRX for gas fees. Everything runs through open smart contracts that anyone can verify, so the whole process is completely transparent. To get started, just choose the token pair you need. It supports almost all tokens on the Tron network. In our case, we're selecting USDT to TRX. Next, enter the amount you want to swap. As you can see, the network fee is covered through TRON Energy. After that, connect your wallet. It supports Trust Wallet, TronLink, OKX, SafePal, TokenPocket, Ledger, and many other Tron-compatible wallets. Confirm the transaction, and that's it. Within a few seconds, the TRX will arrive in your wallet. I personally tested it and swapped some USDT to TRX so I could pay future network fees. Everything arrived almost instantly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.